Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the RBF Deformer in Mesh Morpher graph and some tips and tricks on how to use it. So to use RBF Deformer is pretty simple. You get a mesh pin, you drag and select RBF Deformer. Now the RBF Deformer is loaded and here we can go ahead and add some control points. If you hold shift and click, it will add symmetric points. And let's add some symmetric points here. And if you want to change the radius of the control points, you can set it here, right? Now, let's add some more here. So let's delete this. If you want to handle symmetric points that you added holding shift, you switch to mirror X axis, and now you can have symmetry, right? You control the deformation by adding additional control points, handles here, that will restrict how far the deformation goes, right? So you get the desired effect. So I'm just gonna leave it a little bit like this. And I'm just gonna play a little bit with it. And let's consider this is it. If you want, you can also use rotation for your handles, for your control points. So it's pretty good as well. So look how quickly I've been able to create this deformation. Pretty quick, right? Another thing that we can also do is to get the landmarks from our preview operations, right? If I get, let's add another RBF node here. And if I get the landmarks from here, I can input them into our controls point by converting landmarks to RBF points. Then now I will have the landmarks from our preview tutorial, right? So I can also do some crazy stuff here. It's up to you how you start and handle your deformation. And one more thing, if you want to switch sides of your landmarks before inputting them in the RBF deformer, you go to invert landmarks, and now you will have the landmarks from the left side, from the right side on your left side, right? So your landmarks will be from let's search for. So your landmarks will be these ones, right? So this is also pretty powerful in my opinion. It's a very useful operation to continue with the same control points and interest points that you had in your wrapping algorithm, right? So I think this is it. Very powerful node. We have a lot of kernel types here. Each kernel type deforms your mesh in a different way. So very powerful node. It allows us to do a lot of quick deformations without actually sculpting, without using conventional sculpting. We just place our handles and do the deformation, and that's it. Then we can, of course, export and do whatever we want to do, right? So if I want to create a morph target, I just use the create morph target node, or if I want to bake it, I just use the bake node, right? So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like it and see you around. Bye.